Thanks for watching Peace Ravi TV. Welcome to Peace Ravi TV. Today we are going to see how to make a hair tonic and hair oil for regrowth, baldness, dandruff, gray hair, and so many other things. It's for your good healthy hair. The hair will grow like a forest. Okay, and let's see what are the ingredients. I already showed in Peace Ravi TV Hair Tonic. The title is Hair Tonic, but that video, before I show the second part, the video unexpected deleted, and so I'm not able to upload. So I am going to show you again. This is the full video of how to make the hair tonic. So the ingredients what we need. Let me show you. Let me show you the ingredients. This is Vallarai, Brahmi leaves, and this one is Murungai leaves, Murungai, and this one is Vallarai, this one is Murungai. Yes, Bavadarani is there, our neighbor's daughter. She had a birthday yesterday. But anyway, again I'll tell you Vallarai, Brahmi leaves, Murungai, Murungai Kirai, and this one is Ponnanganni Kirai, and this one is the main is Karishalanganni Kirai. Okay, and these are the ingredients, and here you can see Kiranalli Kirai and Kiranalli Veru. Veru means root. This root also we are going to mix. I already have some root which is dry from Kiranalli root. It's a root with the leaves, and we are going to mix also this. Just watch. So this and this is the same. Okay, Kiranalli, and we are going to mix this amla and the small onion. We are going to take only 5 pieces of small onion and 4 amla, not 5 amla, 4 amla, small onion. And this one what you see is Karuvepilai, curry leaves, Karuvepilai. And here what you see is a neem, Vepilai. Let me show you more. And this is hibiscus leaves, Sembarti Ilai. And this is hibiscus, Sembarti Poo. And this is Tulasi. And here you can see Marudani, which is henna. We are not going to put all this henna. We are going to put only little of each, a bunch of all. Okay. And this is vetiver. And here you can see Karunjiragam, which is black cumin, and black sesame, Ellu, Karupu Ellu, and then Vendayam. So these are all the ingredients. I will write you also in the description. Finally, you can also see how many ingredients are there, and you can see all this. I keep separately. So now we are going to make it little. We are going to take a bunch of all and grind it, and then we are going to dry it. Once when it dry, we will prepare the oil. So thanks for watching Peace Ravi TV. Please watch the complete video so that you will know. This is our neighbor daughter, Bavadarani, and my mother. Always like this small little girl who always here playing and she's watching how we are preparing this. Maybe in future she can make it. And let's continue the video. So we had a lot of karsilangani, but we are going to mix only this much. Okay, I am going to put in this karsilangani. So this is karisilangani, vellai karisilangani, white karisilangani. We are going to mix kiranalli kirai and the wear together here. So now we are going to mix a little bit of this much of vallarai, brahmi leaves. Vallarai, vallarai sulle, vallarai sulle. Okay. Now we are going to mix some neem leaves in that. This is neem leaves, vepilai. So this much of henna leaves. This is muringai leaves, muringai kirai. Or kai pudi, one bunch. That's it, enough. So this is karvepilai, which is curry leaves, okay? This much, okay? You see, I am going to mix in this. Thanks for watching Peace Ravi TV. You can see chopped amla, nellikai, onion, small onion, hibiscus, sambartipu. If we have some more flower, it will be more nice also, but it's fine. And hibiscus leaves, sembarti elai. And this much of tulsi leaves. This is ponnangani kirai. Yes, ponnangani kirai. One bunch. Here. And here you have vetiver and vandayam and black sesame and black cumin, karunjiraga. It's all finally I'm going to prepare. But here all the peel leaves and everything is here. I will write you also in description. Please wait. This is ponnangani kirai. Yes, ponnangani kirai. One bunch. Here. And here you have vetiver and vandayam and black sesame and black cumin, karunjiraga. It's all finally I'm going to prepare. But here all the peel leaves and everything is here. I will write you also in description. Please wait. So now we are going to grind this. My mother preparing everything. This is all the mixture, all the leaves here. have to add little bit of more water in it to grind, just little. So we have to grind like this little by little. A little bit of water so it can grind nicely. Let's see how it came. Yeah, good. So before we dry, we will make some shape. But now let's complete grinding the other part. What we are going to do is we will prepare it completely and then we are going to dry it in the hot sun. Now we are going to mix also this black sesame, karupu ellu, karunjeeragam, black cumin which is kolinji, and vendayam. And please mix. Let me grind all together. All is grinded now nicely. So we are going to make it a small shape and dry it in the sun for some time. Let's see how it comes. So நம்ம வந்து இப்போ எல்லா கீரைகளையும் மூலிகைகளை எல்லாம் அரைத்து வச்சுருக்கோம். இப்போ இதை வந்து என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்னா இதை காய வச்சு இதை வந்து இந்த பிளேட்டில் கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே ஷேப் நம்மளுக்கு தேவைப்படுற ஷேப்பில் வச்சு அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம நல்லா வெயிலில் காய வச்சுட்டு ஆன பிறகு நம்ம இந்த ஆயிலில் தயார் பண்ண போகிறோம். இது வந்து ஹேர் டானிக், ஓகேங்களா? இது வந்து முடி உதிர்றதெல்லாம் தடுக்கும். அப்புறம் மீண்டும் மீண்டும் நல்லா முடி அடர்த்தியாக வளர்கிறதுக்கு இது நல்லா உதவி செய்யும். சில பேருக்கு வந்து இளம் வயசுலேயே வந்து வழுக்கையாக இருக்கும், அந்த முடியெல்லாம் திரும்பி வந்து ரீக்ரோத் ஆகி வரும். அப்புறம் வந்து பொடுகு எல்லாம் வராது. உங்கள் ஸ்கின்னுக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லது, ஹேருக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லது. இது ஸ்கால்ப்புக்கெலாம் வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லது. இந்த இச்சி ப்ராப்ளம், பெயின் தொல்லெல்லாம் கூட வராது. யூ டோன்ட் கெட் எனி இன்ஃபெக்ட் லைஸ் இன் யுவர் ஹெட், நிட்ஸ் அண்ட் அதர் திங். அப்புறம் ஸ்பிளிட் எண்ட்லாம் வராது ஹேரில். ஸோ வெரி ஹெல்த்தி ஹேர், strong hair. Please share to everybody. And, thanks for watching Peace Ravi TV. My mother is helping me. Right. வைங்க. Now this is the second day, is nicely drying. Look at this. So today or tomorrow more, it has to dry more, and then maybe 3 days nice good sun. It's good. And then we can boil it with oil. So we have to turn the sides. And the next video you will see the complete preparation. Thanks for watching Peace Ravi TV. Wish you all a great day. So now all the ingredients, the herbals are dried nicely. Now we are going to make herbal hair tonic. And this herbal hair tonic is good for hair fall. You have a hair fall, dandruff, even young age baldness, even the baldness which happened because of you wearing a helmet and stress, and baldness can come in many different ways. If you have a stress also, you will get baldness. So do yoga, please practice yoga so that baldness will not come. Don't worry about anything. And let me explain what are the ingredients here, which is dried nicely. In a couple of seconds or minutes, we are going to prepare a herbal hair tonic. It's good for regrowth, and it's very, very special. And let me tell you very quickly about the ingredients, and I will also write you in the description for you. And okay, it's total about 21 ingredients. Okay, and கரிசலாங்கண்ணி கீரை, முருங்கை கீரை, பொன்னாங்கண்ணி கீரை, வல்லாரை பிரம்மி leaves, துளசி, கீழாநெல்லி, then கீழாநெல்லி வேர், செம்பருத்தி பூ, that is hibiscus flower, and then sembarti leaves, which is hibiscus leaves, henna, which is marudani, neem, which is vepilai, vetiver, karanjiragam, black sesame, that is karupu ellu, black ellu, vendayam, fenugreek, amla, small onion, karvepilai. Karvepilai means it's a curry leaves. And then the oil which we are going to mix is coconut oil, gingerly oil, and castor oil. All together is now going all mixed together in the oil, and so the hair tonic will be ready. So let's go to make hair tonic. Now we are mixing the castor oil. Castor oil, 100 ml castor oil. Now we are mixing pure castor oil. ஆமணக்கு எண்ணெய் அது அடுப்பில் வைங்க, அடுப்பு கொளுத்துங்க, அது அடுப்பு கொளுத்துங்க. The castor oil now in the flame. Little bit ஒரு ஸ்பூன் கரண்டி எடுங்க, சின்ன கரண்டி. அது எல்லாம் பெருசாக Now 250 ml of gingerly oil, sesame oil, pure sesame oil to mix. Let it warm little bit more. Now 1 liter of coconut oil to mix. Mix பண்ணுங்க coconut oil. The coconut oil is mixed. So now let it boil for some time. Now the 3 oils are boiling nicely and it's now a little bit in a big flame. Soon we are going to make it in a small flame. My மூலிகையை கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா எடுத்து அதில் போடுங்க. My mother is mixing. So now it is all total 21 ingredients. Good for, very good for the hair. For some people, the hair will again grow from baldness, bald head. Don't worry. Just relax. Take out all your stress. First, do meditation, do yoga, pranayama, and use this. அதெல்லாம் தட்டி இதிலே போடுங்க. இல்லை வேணாம், டஸ்ட் ஆகிடும். அங்கே வச்சிருங்க. So now let me make the flame smaller. Small flame. தீ சின்னதாக வச்சிருங்க. தீ சின்னதாக ஒன்றும் வச்சிருந்து. Now it is a small flame. Wait for some minutes now. The color of the oil is changing. நிப்பாட்டு. Now the heat is enough. We switch off the flame. Thanks for watching Peace Ravi TV. Now the hair tonic is ready. We have to keep in the vessel for the next 2 days until all the essence from the herbals will come in the oil. Just see how the oil is, the color, and everything is inside. And we can also supply these. If somebody want, please kindly contact my number or my email, Om Global Yoga Shala, and if it is in Chennai, we'll come directly and supply you. If you are in overseas, we'll send you by courier, or in other state other than Chennai, we will send you by courier. You can also make this. Try to make this. If not possible, please let me know. We'll supply you. And I'm very happy that you are all watching Peace Ravi TV. In Peace Ravi TV, we will have different varieties of videos. Please kindly watch full videos so that you will see something different at the end of the video every time. Thank you very very much. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. இந்த எண்ணெயில் 21 மொத்த மூலிகைகள் இன்க்ரீடியன்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குது. இதை தேங்காய் எண்ணெய், அப்புறமா வந்து எள்ளு எண்ணெய், ஆமணக்கு எண்ணெய், அது கூட வந்து மற்ற மூலிகை பேர்லாம் நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன், டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்லயும் போடுறேன். இதை வந்து நல்லா அரைச்சி காய வச்சு பதப்படுத்தி அதுக்கப்புறமா வந்து இந்த எண்ணெய்கள்ல போட்டு காசி ஒரு 2 நாள் கரெக்டா ஊற விட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க வந்து ஒரு கண்டெய்னர்ல தண்ணி படாம எடுத்து வச்சுக்கலாம். ஒரு 6 மாசம் வரைக்கும் நீங்க இதை வச்சு யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். எல்லாருக்கும் பயனுள்ளதா இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் இந்த சேனல், இந்த தொகுப்பு. எல்லாரும் ரிலாக்ஸா இருங்க. ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் மன அழுத்தத்தெல்லாம் வச்சுக்காதுங்க. யோகா பண்ணுங்க, தியானம் பண்ணுங்க, பிராணாயாமம் பண்ணுங்க. ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்னால கூட முடி கொட்டும். முடி ஒரே நாள்லயும் வெள்ளையாகும். ஒரே நாள்ல எல்லா முடியும் கூட கொட்டும். உங்களுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ன்னா கவலைப்படாதீங்க எதை பத்தியும். பீஸ் ரவி டிவியை நீங்க பார்த்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. சரிங்களா? வாழ்க வளமுடன். ஹரி ஓம் நமச்சிவாய்.